What can we find thrifting in Milan, Italy during the summer? So many goodies are at this vintage shop. We haven't been here before, but we will definitely be back. I will put the shop information down below in the description box so you can easily find them. This bell was so detailed. I loved it. The random selection of objects in the shop shows you just how these shops all serve as yard sale, estate sale, and thrift store all in one. You can literally find anything here. Love these boxes. See, so many boxes. Love a good vintage box just to put all my random doodads in. Look at that one. So good. Maybe for watches? Not sure what that's for. And this, oh, so cute. Please remember to subscribe, and when you hit the bell notification, you'll also be alerted when new videos are published, which is not on a regular schedule. Look at these cute, adorable little ceramic thingies. They were all between $444, $888, that kind of price mostly. It's the first shop I've seen that prices that way, $555. So sweet. I see some Wedgwood in the back there. I didn't notice that. This bell, I also didn't notice this cute bell in the front for $27.75, the blue bell. This is just a darn shame that this was so damaged because the workmanship was incredible. Look at that. It's so cute. But it had to be left there, unfortunately. Bye, cute frame. This, I came very close to getting this for my Christmas decorating extravaganza. Very cute. Hi, everyone. I'm Tammy. Thanks so much for shopping with me today. Doesn't this just scream wedding gift that no one liked and never opened? It's still in the box with the bow, the pre-attached bow in there. But it has great workmanship, but it's a good example of how people give gifts or used to give gifts for weddings, I think. Great box. It's very 70s, 80s, that box. See, random stuff. You've got a little of everything here. This thing, all of the arms pull out, so I think, so you can dry your dish rags on it. I believe that's what it's for. This is just a shame that it's preloaded with all the cute little doodads, but there's no open space for your own new doodads. I want to load my own up with my own doodads. Little minis. Love a good pharmacy jar. Look at those lids. They're so chunky. But one says Piombo. Piombo is lead, so I avoided buying any of these. They're a great, like, amber color. I know I am never wearing this shirt again to a thrift shop with these sleeves. I kept hitting everything. I love these checkerboard things. If I needed these in the slightest, they would have been mine because I just love the graphics on them. That's how cute they were. Look, these colors, they're so sherbety and summery. Just the colors of your small appliances say, I'm summery. The green thing, I don't even know what that is. And a green slicer. Everybody needs a green deli slicer in their life. Why not? For 55 euros. Cute couple sewing boxes, must say. The smaller one even had wheels. Actually, they might have both had wheels. I don't remember. But very cute. Cute. Yeah, it does look like they both had wheels, actually. This is interesting because it looks like the spoons are decorative. You'd never use these, but the rolling pin does look used and that you would use it. So I'm getting mixed stories on this article. This was very interesting. So many matching flowery things in your kitchen. It gave me the vibes of my grandma's kitchen where everything was strawberries. The curtains, the canisters, every single thing in the kitchen had strawberries on it. This matchiness, matchy reminded me of that. I wonder how many things you could find with this same pattern, actually. That was adorable. Look at it, it's like a little table. These were cute little blue fishies. Little fishy plates. They look very surprised. The basket, the fruit basket, come on. That is the epitome of summer thrifting. Look at it. Just being a centerpiece with no function other than being ceramic fruit. That is chandelier, very cute, not too big. Good, nice little collection of candlesticks here. This guy, how random is this? Predator. We found him. For 277 years, it's actually a good sculpture, a good likeness of the Predator. Come on, they even get the face details. Creepy as anything, but a good likeness. Great clocks. I love these, especially that one in the middle. Though it doesn't work, I just love it. It's so cute. Love everything here. And if you love thrifting as much as I love thrifting, check out our playlist right here. We've got plenty more videos about thrifting in Italy. And thank you so much for joining me again. I'll see you next time.